Alright, here's a video sample test outside with my LG Optimus Elite. There's our dog Ruby. She's a Doberman. As you can see, it's a pretty rainy day. If you want a sunny day video, it's actually pretty good quality. At least this video quality looks really good on the phone screen. The video I posted to YouTube a couple days ago about my nitro car driving down the road. That is a video taken with this phone as well. So it's a bit windy, so I don't know if you can hear the wind or not. Let's go take a look at these flowers. We'll get up close. It does not seem to be focusing very well, and you can't autofocus in the video. And let's get the sidewalk up close over at it. Alright, and that's our sample video. Thanks for watching. Here's a sample video test in a completely dark room. As you can see, things do not show up very well until you get closer, and then they show up just fine. So at night, if you're going to try to get something from farther away, you won't have much luck. Like, the floor is not very far away, but once you get a little closer, things get brighter and better. So that's the camera in the dark section.